The second way that we teach students to add the two-digit numbers is called the arrow way. This is the success criteria for the arrow way. The first step is underline the big number. Then you write the big number with an arrow in the next 10. Then you decompose the smaller number to make the next 10. Then you add the next 10 plus the leftovers. Sometimes it's ones, sometimes it's a number that has tens as well. Then you circle the final answer and write the final answer in the blank. So let's do it. My first step is to underline the big number, which in this equation is 17. I do this because it is normally easier for you to start with the big number, and underlining it brings your attention to that. The next step tells me write the big number with an arrow to the next 10. So I would write 17, arrow, and my next 10 means the next multiple of 10. So in this case, my next multiple of 10 would be 20. If they don't know that, then they can count by tens until they find the one that comes after 17. So I could say 10 is before 17, 20 is after 17. So my next 10 is 20. Okay, then it tells me decompose the smaller number to make the next 10. So I've already used my 17, I'm gonna cross it out. And I need to go from 17 to 20. So I need to take some numbers from my 15 so that my 17 can become 20. So I know I need 3 to get from 17 to 20. So I'm gonna take 3 from my 15 and add it here. Since I've taken 3 from my 15, I need to write however much is left. So if I take 3 from 15, I know I have 12 left. I've now used my 15 all the way to decompose it, and I've used my 3 right here. I've used my 3 to get to 20. So I'm at 20 now, and if I look at my next step, it tells me to add the next 10 plus the leftover ones, or you can just say plus the leftovers. In this equation, my next 10 is 20. I'm gonna put an arrow, and I need to add my leftovers, which is 12. Some students may be able to add, since this is an even 10, they may be able to add the 12 easily, or you can say 20 plus 1 10 is 30, 30 plus 2 ones is 32. Then my next step is circle the final answer. So I have circled my final answer, and I will write my final answer in the blank. This is the arrow method. Whichever way is easier for your child to understand is the way that they should work these problems in class. Whenever we do an exit ticket, whenever we have a test, there is not a specific way they are required to do. We introduce both ways because some students, it makes sense to them to work it one way or the other. So your child may pick which way works best for them. And if you practice it at home, you can do any two-digit numbers on a sheet of extra paper lying around, or in the Notes app on an iPad, or on a phone, or wherever you can write. And this is a way that they can solve two-digit numbers.